start production and they'll slowly cycle into they all go through qualifying tests for safety check.
It is not size for Gina and I.
No, it's not. Although I can reach the thing.
Hey guys, I'm sorry, we need to scoot back.
So as far as the vehicle itself, you won't see a lot of differences. One of the things we wanted was commonality of design. So the components are interchangeable between both lines, but because the vehicle is wider,
that's new.
Yes, it is. And actually, it's actually a tremendous saving for maintenance costs,
right.
For materials inventory, and also for training. So it really is a great benefit to the authority. What you didn't see on the Orange Line car is the bigger LCD screens.
Yep.
So that was a comment that we got on the initial mock-up. There was 17-inch screen on the front. So it's a lot bigger. One of the other things too is the handrails. If you look at the handrails, especially in the passenger area by the doors, so the Orange Line car is a lot wider. Perfect.
Folks, all the way to the back.
What do you think, Governor? I think it's pretty cool.